Hello, boys and girls. We're doing a blending lesson today with words with prefixes un, un, and re, re. So prefixes are the letters that goes in front of a word to change the meaning of the word actually. So when you see un in front of a word like unpack, meaning to undo it, or undo it. Okay, unwrap means to undo the wrapping. So how about re? If you see re in front of a word like relock, that means to do it again. Okay, or repaint means to redo it again, paint it again. Okay, so besides the prefixes review of un and re, un and re, we are also going to do review with other words that we have encountered previously. And we are going to try to chunk and blend those words too as part of our review today. So let's start at the very beginning. We have pack. Put the un in front. We have unpack. So when you're actually seeing this word in real usage, in use, there isn't a marking here in between, a dash. It actually will look somewhat like this, right? Unpack. I put the dash to show us how the prefixes is put in front of the word pack so that it's easier for us to chunk it and then to blend it. So unpack, do, undo, wrap, unwrap, lock, lock, relock, zip, zip, rezip, paint, paint, repaint, return, return, refill, refill, rethink, rethink, think again, unfair, not fair, unfair, untie, untie, unplug, unplug, repay, repay, untie, untie, unzip, unzip, reset, reset, sharp, sharp, wiggle, wiggle, voice, voice, spider, spider, largest, largest, inner, thinner, wishes, wish-ish, wishes, bright, bright, unscramble, unscrambled, unsteady, unsteady, untangled, untangled, replaying, replaying, refilled, refilled. To do it again, repaints, repaints. Now with our two sentences, Dad repainted Tony's bedroom. Capital in the beginning, where Dad is, the word Dad, start with a capital, that's the beginning of your sentence. Tony is capital, Tony is a person's name. Possessive noun, apostrophe S, showing of ownership. The bedroom belongs to who? To Tony. and an end mark at the end makes this a complete sentence. The word repainted means to paint it again in the past tense, adding the ed. So let's move on to our very last sentence. We have Tony helped unpack dishes, period. Tony, capital, person's name, and the beginning of your sentence. Helped, adding ed to signify that this is in the past tense. And unpack, meaning to undo it. Okay? To undo it. Unpack the dishes, period. So that concludes our blending lesson for today. Thank you for doing the blending lesson with me. That was fun. Actually, for me, it was fun. I have fun recording. Anyhow, we will do another blending lesson on another day, but you can redo this blending lesson on your own, with a friend, with a family member. Keep practicing. Have a great day.